Brabender, where quality is measured. The applications of the Brabender testing devices stand out for their effective and practice-oriented simulation, easy handling, comfortable cleaning of the devices, and the sustainably informative and comprehensive evaluation of the test results. Cost minimization is becoming increasingly important. Brabender testing devices stand for shorter development times, the development of optimized recipes, less material requirements, and therefore guaranteed cost and time savings. Continuous control of running production is of particular importance in order to respond immediately and thus avoid unnecessary material losses. Production can then always be flexibly adapted to current conditions. Even the profit arising from the use of Brabender testing devices is directly quantifiable. The benefits of using a farinograph can be demonstrated in a simple example. 300 tons of flour are processed in a mill each day. Optimized, that is to say, higher water absorption of 0.3%, will allow the mill to justify a higher sales price of plus 0.001 per kilogram. This will result in an additional turnover of 90,000 euros per year. Brabender GmbH activities are concentrated on two main areas: measuring and testing technology for the food sector and for the plastics industry.
Our instruments applied for quality analysis in labs of the R&D centers and also in the production line. Applications for rheological measurement instruments you will find in many industries. Certainly the most experience we have in the wheat and flour industry and also in the plastic industry, but in the last years the hot melt extrusion is coming on, and for the Brabender Pharma it's a very important business. Yeah, steadily we win a new experience in new applications, and our great weight belongs to our customers. Yeah, we appreciate our new tasks.
A large part of the business volume of Brabender GmbH is the production of devices for the food sector. One of the most popular testing technology systems in that division is the Brabender three-phase system, consisting of the components farinograph, extensograph, and amylograph. These are Brabender products that have become virtually indispensable for the milling and baking industries.
In general, I can say that there is no right or wrong raw material. The problem mostly is the wrong usage. So with the Brabender instruments you can select the quality of the raw materials, and this at the end brings for the miller and the bakery this benefit that they have both really the best products, not in their compound together, but also with the end users.
Carl Wilhelm Brabender developed the first farinograph in the late 1920s to guarantee continuously high quality in large capacity bakeries. The device was continuously improved and is today considered as a high-tech measuring device. Reliable and reproducible testing of flour quality and dough processing characteristics are basic requirements in the milling and baking industry and in other areas of food production in order to ensure continuously optimized flour quality for various bakery or noodle products. Furthermore, Brabender developed the extensograph to optimize quality assurance. The device determines and checks the elasticity of the dough and the baking characteristics when in the oven. The Brabender three-phase system is completed with the amylograph, which tests the gelatilization characteristics of starch and enzyme activity of flour. These are critical tests to assess the quality of the flour and its suitability for various applications. The Brabender GmbH product spectrum covers many more devices, which due to their modularity allow flexible client applications in the plastics production as well.
Well, our product range is based on our torque rheometer. It's a plastic order lab station. With the plastic order lab station we meet different applications. Means we fulfill different functions like the batch mixing, like the extrusion, like the compounding. Well, we meet material research as well as the material quality control. Well, you will find our customers in the universities as well in the industries. Here, the universities will use it mainly for material characterization, while in the industries you will find big global players. They are having an R&D center, and in that R&D center they do the material research as well as in production places the material control. While our strength is mainly that we are a partner of our customers, means we will support them with our consulting as well as our after sales. We have our applicational laboratory to make feasibility studies, and afterwards we really guarantee that we have even their spare parts for a long term, so that we can keep a very long-term relationship with them.
The core of the Brabender portfolio for the plastics division is the Plastiquarter Lab Station. This device is a modular system. It can be configured in accordance with testing requirements or processing tasks. The Plastiquarter Lab Station can therefore be adapted with various testing attachments. For instance, a measuring mixer or a single and twin screw extruder. These serve for quality control and material research purposes, determine flow behavior, complete compounding tasks, or simulate the production process in laboratory scale. The Plastiquarter Lab Station allows the implementation of all key development tasks for various types of plastics. Measuring mixers and single screw extruders are applied for determining the plastification behavior of plastics, rubber, and ceramic compounds. Material typical plastograms are generated, which allow conclusions regarding the flow behavior of the material. Furthermore, praxis-orientated extrusion is performed. Extrudates like strands, plates, ribbons, or films can be inspected with respect to various criteria. For instance, surface characteristics, color rejection, transparency, and streaking. Extrusion rheometers determine viscosity and swell behavior. The distinction of the Brabender TSE 2040D docking station as an excellent laboratory device is based on its practice-oriented scale-down and its cylinder screw concept. Multiple dosing openings and the modular structure of the screw allow easy adaptation to almost any compounding task. Relevant Brabender dosing systems and downstream devices allow the construction of entire extrusion lines. Brabender, where quality is measured. Brabender Company in Duisburg, founded by Carl Wilhelm Brabender in 1923, is one of the leading manufacturers of devices and equipment for the testing of material quality and physical characteristics. Brabender devices are currently used in all areas of research, development, and industrial production in the sectors for food and plastics processing. Initially, the long-established company was specialized in the repair of electromotors and transformers. Very early, however, in 1927, the company began developing the first measuring and testing devices for the milling and food industries, the Farinograph, which formed the headstone for the portfolio Brabender offers today. The second milestone followed just 9 years later. The new plastograph, developed in 1936, advanced the same testing principle for the PVC sector. That is how the Brabender Plastics division was founded. The company has experienced steady and organic growth over the years, and nowadays the brand Brabender stands out for a manufacture of premium quality testing technology made in Germany. A market with future perspectives, says Managing Director Michael Viertel.
For nearly 100 years, Brabender stands for quality products made in Germany. Our products distinguish themselves for reliable and long-lasting cycle. Our employees in the laboratories are steadily look about new innovations and improvements of our products. Every time the customer's needs is in the foreground, we have a view on that, and we will develop it only if the customer needs is there. You can use our best equipped laboratories for product tests, product development, and also for customer training. Yeah, you can ask us In worldwide, over 100 countries, you will find Brabender or Brabender agencies.
The export quota for the division's plastics and food is at a whopping 85%. Brabender agencies have been opened in more than 90 countries worldwide. A market share of 60% makes Brabender the global leader in the food technology sector.
Special is that Brabender is still a family business and that we've got employees who work with us for partly many generations. And how is more to say if people start their apprenticeship here and stay with us until retirement, or that the parents tell their children, come to Brabender, join with us. And I think it's the pride of the employees to be with Brabender. So I think the advantage is that everyone is not just familiar with us, that the employees are responsible for their work. They try to give a bit more than usually, and I think the little bit more makes a difference, makes proud to be with Brabender. The world became more and more rapid and the technological wheel turns faster and faster. Therefore we need a team which has the intention to provide the best benefit for the customer.
That is the yardstick by which Brabender is measured, now and in the future. Quality made in Germany.